Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lexi, the best of the best and the real of the real. It's been a minute, but I'm back. Yeah, don't know. About 2 weeks ago, Nightly Fix had reported that they are no longer going to be on the air. I know. I'm just as confused.
The last show for the Fix. Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna meet again.
It's the last show for
the Fix here on News Talk
93.
They're a popular radio station based in Jamaica. They're widely known for their popular interviews with new artists, trending artists, veteran artists, all type of people, PR, managers, everything, even producers and things like that. The announcement for Nightly Fix was very abrupt, but they did say they'll be having a podcast coming soon. When, they did not give an exact date, but we'll be waiting for it. Marley's granddaughter was subject to racial profiling in this past week. There's a video clip that her eyes on social media showing the police questioning her about a property that she had rented.
They don't believe that we went. Well, can you explain who you are before I preface?
Sources say that she will also be suing the police department for racial profiling. Shenseea has announced that it has officially been 2 years since she's been in the music industry. Artist, she has toured the world and been many places as well, expanding her brand. Big up Shenseea and the whole Shen gang. Vybz Kartel released a new video last week and it had a special Instagram sensation on. Deno Crazy and his Kartel's lovely girlfriend starred in the skits of the video. You can see a clip of that right here.
Can't see you with a split. Fuck that every day, every grade charge it. I'm there, your chopper gate archie. Higher than the saints of the latter day church. Get in the spirit with the spirit in a buckle where you're drinking. Take a Hennessy, it's of a limit. Drink him with you, I go pee every minute. And baby, I don't want to see you fall.
It's saddened to report that Chromatic has passed away from kidney disease. A couple months ago, you can remember that there was a party called Dancehall for a Cause that had all proceeds going towards finding him a kidney donor. My condolences go out to his friends and family as well. Major Hype is making major news. He is now having his own TV show on, of course, BET Network. This is a major thing in the dancehall Caribbean community as well. It was not announced when the show will be put out, but we can look forward to that as well. Big up yourself, Major Hype. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment. And don't forget to follow my page, Gwaan Dancehall. I'll be putting all the mix-up, all the drama, all the updates on there as well.